Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add music to your Facebook story. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also make sure to put your likes. So friends, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app. Next, if you want to create a story, then you will need to click on Add Story right here. And now, it all depends on whether you want to put the music in first or after you select, for example, an image. So if you want to choose music first, then you click on Music here. Then you select the song. You can click here to listen to the song. Then if it's right for you or not, you can scroll through the whole list of songs here. There's a lot of them, or you can type in the search box the song you want to find by title or artist. Once you've selected a song, just click on it, and that way you'll have a background with the song. In order to add something to it, you can add any images from your gallery, for example. Also change the background if you want to keep just the background and the song. And let's say if you select a photograph, you can see there will be a picture and then there will be a song on top of it. You can also add some stickers here, for example. And you can move them around, just like you can move the lyrics and the song. You'll also be able to write something. You'll also be able to add, for example, another photo, your location, time, weather, mention someone from Facebook to add your story, and so on, so on. There's actually a lot of features here. You can also add some effects, overlay on the photo itself. And after you've done all of that, you can put up the story. If you want to select a photo first and then put music on it, then you just select the photo. And then you click on the right side of that menu on the music. And in the same way, you select the song you want to add. And then you can, for example, change also the lyrics of the song. You can move it around like this to choose the right section for you. You can also choose whether the lyrics of the song will be written, in what font it's going to be written in, or if it's just the title of the song, how it's going to look. You can enlarge it, reduce it, move it around. And in the same way as before, you can easily add some photos, mentions, emoji, people, and so on. You can draw something, for example. In the same way, you can add an effect and everything that I showed you before. And after you have done the story completely, you can also click on Ready. After that, this story will be published on your Facebook page with the music you choose. Friends, this is the way you can add music to your Facebook stories. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. See you soon.